Hiya. I wanted to let people know that if you purchase the 27001 DIY course from my website, then you'll have access to about 900 mini courses across multiple subjects. And I wanted to show it to people because I can see in the stats in my portal that I don't think many people realize and are accessing it. So it's entirely free and comes along with the training that you've purchased. So when you log into the portal, if you go into course catalog, you will see a list of courses across numerous subjects. So digital transformation, finance, cybersecurity, obviously, employee termination, great one, food safety essentials. There's about 900 mini courses. So when you see a course that you're interested in, such as this one on developing a contingency plan, click the plus to get that course and it'll be added to your training. So if you go back into my training, you'll see that you've got developing a contingency plan there, and then you can start that course. It takes a moment just to pull it down, and then you should have access to that course immediately. And that, like I say, they're not particularly long, but they are mini and they are quite helpful for people that haven't done any of this kind of thing before. And most of them come with a little quiz at the end just to check your understanding. So there are many, many, many for you to choose from, and some of them are in quite good groups and clusters of training. So there's a lot on AI, for example, if you wanted to dive into that subject. So that comes free with the main course that I've got, which is my information security ISO 27001 do-it-yourself implementation course, which you can get from my store. And if you want to see a demo, just go to this address here, zaoblue.com/DIY-ISO 27001-demo. There's no sign up. If you hit that link, it just goes straight in, and then you can start playing about the first chapter or so, basically an introduction to ISO 27001.